Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete a Crunchyroll account. As you can see, I am on the Crunchyroll account and I have opened the app. So you will see these multiple options like home, my list, browse and account. So simply go to account option, and once you reach here, just scroll down a bit and you will find this option in the privacy section, delete my account. So just click on delete my account and it will take a few seconds to load. And once you're here, you can read all the details. Account deletion is permanent and cannot be reversed. So, okay, select main reason and I understand and continue to account deletion. Once you click on it, it will again ask you must cancel your subscription before deleting your account. And if you have already done so, are you sure you want to delete your account? So just click on continue. And once you click on continue, it will take you to the browser. And once your browser, simply enter your email address and just write down your email, whatever your email is, and click on this I am not robot. And once you write down your email, just click on submit. So once you click on submit, they will ask you to delete your account on your email address. So once you confirm from your email, your account will be deleted permanently. So that is a simple process of how you can do it.